Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. I know this is somewhere different. I'm right now in Nigeria, on holiday, and still I got something to unbox. Yo, and this is Koofex. It's a Koofex mini foil shaver with 10,000 RPMs. So, and okay, to the specs, can't really see it good. 10,000 RPMs, 600 milliamp battery, USB Type C, 60 minutes operating time. Okay, charging time, it's not written here. And this is it. So I hope you can see it good. So now let's open it up and then see what we got inside. Yeah. So I guess I saw it on AliExpress, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description below where you can buy this foil shaver. I think it's good. I'm not that sure what they wrote about this foil shaver. It's good. So inside comes with the manual and yeah. Okay. Comes with extra foil. Yeah. Okay. And extra cutter blade. Oh, this is good. Extra cutter. Okay. Inside cable and yeah, as usual. So now, ooh, it is small, very small. This is the foil. Like this, these two places, which is good. Feels good, but small, very small. Yeah. And USB Type C charging. So this is the foil, and to open, no place to press. Just open it, and that's it. As you can see, maybe here is maybe indicator. I'm not that sure. No, it is powerful. As you can hear, it's powerful. It's not bad. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna try to shape up my BS and try it out. Okay. Peace.